Meron akong Ford Everest dito. And surprise! Ang high-tech niya. Unahin natin yung susi. Smart entry na siya. Isang pindot mo lang dito. Unlock na siya at auto-retractable din yung side mirrors. This is the 2024 Ford Everest Titanium Automatic at meron ka ng updated design. May chrome grille ka dito, LED day running light, LED headlight, fog lamps at updated 20 inches two-toned alloy wheels, makakapalang tires. Under the hood, meron kang 2.0 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged 6-speed automatic transmission diesel engine na reliable, easy to maintain, pero hindi cheap to maintain. At sa pinakalikod, meron kang LED taillight, rear sensor, rear camera at power tailgate. Meron kang secret compartment dito at foldable yung third row seat. At dito sa cabin, Premium Everest, meron kang panoramic roof, leather seat, may mga controls ka dito, fully digital display, large touchscreen, ambient lighting, wireless charging pad, automatic transmission with manual shifting mode at electronic parking brake. At kung tamad ka, power seat na yung both driver and passenger seat. At sa second row, premium feels pa din, panoramic roof, armrest with 2 built-in cup holders, aircon controls at outlet source. At syempre, maluwag ang leg, shoulder and headroom, 6 foot ang height ko. At kung first time mong sasakay ng Everest, hindi mo malalaman kung saan yung bukasan ng pinto, pero dito siya. Kaya pwede kang mangos. At dito sa third row seat, pwede na yung space at meron kang overhead vents. Kaya kung gusto mo ng techy na kotse, reliable, family-friendly, and long drive ready, this is the perfect car para sa'yo for only 1,795,000 pesos lang. Peace out!